Hello class! The first topic that we will discuss in this quarter is all about multiplying polynomials. Multiplying polynomials includes multiplying monomials, followed by multiplying polynomials by monomials. Next is multiplying binomials having the same terms. And lastly, special products of binomials. We will discuss all of this in this week, but we will first discuss about multiplying monomials. Okay, multiplying monomials. Okay, but what is a monomial? Okay, when we say monomial, it is a number, a variable, or a product of numbers and variables with whole number exponents. Take note of the phrase with whole number exponent. Okay, we have examples of monomials here. First is 5. 5 is a monomial, or any constant is a monomial. The next, we have x. X is a monomial, or any variables are monomial. The next is negative 7xy. Any combination of a variable and a constant can be considered as a monomial. The next, 0.5 x raised to the exponent 4 is a monomial. Okay, why is it considered as a monomial? It is because it is a product of a constant and variable with whole number exponent. Okay? Its exponent is positive 4. So, meaning, monomial siya. The next, we have not monomials here. Okay? First example of the expression that are not monomial is negative 0.3x raised to negative 2 exponent, or exponent negative 2. Okay, why is it not considered as a monomial? Okay, it is because its exponent isn't a whole number. Okay, if an expression has a negative exponent, it can't be considered as a polynomial or a monomial. The next, we have 4x minus y. Okay, why is it not considered as a monomial? Okay, it is because it has two terms. Okay, take note that a monomial is a single term polynomial. The next, we have 2 all over x raised to the exponent negative 3. Okay, this can't be considered as a monomial because the variable with exponent is in the denominator of the rational expression. So, bawal na ang variable na merong exponent ay maging denominator. So, dapat numerator lang yung variable na merong exponent para makonsider siya as a monomial. Okay, in other words, or we can also say that a monomial is a single term polynomial. So, kapag dalawang term yan, hindi siya makukonsidered as a monomial. Or kapag meron siyang negative exponent, it is also not considered as a monomial. Or kapag yung variable na merong exponent ay ang denominator, it can't be also considered as a monomial. Okay, let's proceed to multiplying monomials. Okay, to multiply monomials properly, we must group factors with like bases together. And lastly, multiply. Again, there are only two steps in multiplying monomials properly. First is group factors with like bases together. And lastly, multiply. Okay, we have examples here, A and B. Okay, let's start, or let's begin with letter A. Okay, multiply. Okay, multiply quantity 5x squared and quantity 4x cubed. Okay, the first step is group like bases together. So how can we group like bases together? So we will group the constant and we will group the variables. Okay, just like this one. Okay, as to what you can see, we group the constant and we group the variables. The next step is multiply. Okay, multiply 5 and 4 and multiply x squared and x cubed. Okay, 5 times 4, it is equal to 20. And x squared times x cubed, okay, just simply apply the law of exponents. Okay, kapag same basis, anong gagawin natin? We'll just add the exponent. So it will become 20x raised to the exponent 5. Again, we just multiply 5 and 4. Okay, 5 times 4, it is equal to 20. Then x squared times x cubed, it is equal to x raised to the exponent 5. Okay. Paano nga naging x raised to the exponent 5? Okay, we just apply the law of exponent. Kapag the same basis, we'll just add the exponent. 2 plus 3, it is equal to 5. That's why it became x raised to the exponent 5. Okay, we'll proceed to the next example. Okay, multiply quantity negative 3x cubed y squared and quantity 4xy raised to the exponent 5. Okay, paano ba to siya i-multiply? Okay, we'll follow the same process to multiply this one. Okay, the first step is group factors like bases together. So it means we'll group the constants and we will group the variables. Guess what you can see? We have we have constant negative 3 and 4, and we have variable x and y. So ang gagawin natin dito is we'll group the constant, we'll group the x variable, and we'll group the y variable. Okay, just like this one. Okay, we group the variable 3 or negative 3 and 4. And we group the variable x and the variable y. Then the last step is to multiply. Okay, multiply negative 3 and 4. Okay, negative 3 and 4, the product is negative 12. The next, multiply x cubed and x. Okay, just like what we did in the first example, na kapag the same basis, we'll just add the exponent. Okay, y squared times y raised to the exponent 5. Like basis, just add the exponent. So the answer will be negative 12 x raised to the exponent 4, y raised to the exponent 7. Why? It is because we just multiply negative 3 and 4. Negative 3 times 4, the answer is negative 12. X cubed times x, the answer is x raised to the exponent 4. Then lastly, y squared times y raised to the raised to the exponent 5. Okay, just copy the base, then add the exponent. 2 plus 5, the answer is 7. That's why the answer is Negative 12x raised to the exponent 4, y raised to the exponent 7.